Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you to this channel today. In this video, I will be analyzing how to buy new package in Solmax. I will be showing you how to buy a new package in Solmax Igniter 200 with your earnings, maybe your cash commission or your loyalty points. So I will be showing you step by step on how to get this done. And the latest update on Igniter 100 and 200 will also be shared with you in this video. So as we all know that Igniter 200 withdrawal and gift code purchasing has been disabled since 2 weeks ago, but right now there is a way whereby we can use our earnings to buy new package pending the time that the withdrawal option will be available in Solmax Igniter 200. So you just need to stay tuned and watch this video to the very end so that we know how to get it done, that is to buy a new package with your earnings, so that you can compound it, so that you can earn more while the withdrawal option is still disabled. So but before I go fully into this video, I welcome you once again to Last Journey Biz Talk. This channel is all about financial education, so I'm bringing to your doorstep financial education at its peak. Okay, this channel is created to share with you my online ideas on how to make some money for yourself, how to be financially free, secured and settled, and also it is created to warn you of some fraudulent or suspicious online investments in order for you not to venture into such and lose your money at the end of the day. Okay, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe. It's very important. Subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware or notified whenever I upload new video, whenever I have new updates to share with you guys. Okay, if you have any question, you can contact me through my email, call me on phone, chat me up on WhatsApp, and also join our Telegram channel, as I will be making frequent announcements on how to make money online for yourself. Okay, if after you have watched this video you found it to be very meaningful to you, if truly it is helpful, then don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, that is to like this video and share with your friends and family, for them also to be a beneficiary of the information being shared here. Okay, so quickly let me take you to the channel. Once again, what we are considering today is how to buy new package in Solmax I200 with your earnings. Latest updates on Igniter 100 and 200. The field is green. The field is green. I can say it with confidence that the field is green. That is, our long-term waiting is at the end. So we should be hopeful now. All right. So let me take you to the platform. That is the I200 platform. So this is my platform. This is my Igniter 200 dashboard. So in my loyalty account, I have 17,500 total bonus. Cash account, I have commission of 1.86. I have loyalty of $69, and I have 20 credits available. So this is my team. This is what I've been earning so far in my Solmax Igniter 200. So now, initially, how to buy a new package is basically done with gift code. You need to purchase a gift code before you will be able to buy a new package with your earnings, but unfortunately it has been disabled. So but right now, what you can do to it is that you just need to go straight to the shop. You click on shop, then you click on the packages. So after you have clicked on the packages, you are going to select the package that you want to buy. For instance, I have $69 in my cash account, so I will just choose rookie. I want to buy that of $50, so I choose rookie. So then you click on next here. You click on next. So after you have clicked on next, you click on the options to buy with. So I will choose on Solmax wallet. So because Solmax wallet, it contains my earnings, that is my cash wallet and my loyalty wallet. So I will tick the option loyalty wallet because I have enough fund there. Then click on proceed. So then you need to confirm the order. Then you input your password. So let me input my password. 323. Okay. Alright, so that is my password. Oh, sorry. Okay, so all right, so okay, wow, your purchase order has been completed. Your purchase order has been completed. So now I hope you, I believe that you should understand how I've made the purchase of the package now. So let's go to the dashboard to check. Okay, you can see it has reflected here. My 17,500 has become 26,250. My SMD credit is now 30, and my cash account I have come 1 point. So this is how to get it done. So as you can see that it has reflected on my dashboard. That's reflected on my dashboard. So now the latest information that I have to share with you about the Ignita 100 and Ignita 200, okay, is here. Okay, listing process of I200 shares is in the open market, will end within the first 2 weeks of November. So we should just be anticipating that the estimated price is still between 4 to 6 US dollars. Okay, the new compensation plan will be launched by the CFO, COO, and the VP sales on Tuesday and Wednesday. So let's be hopeful. Let's keep our hope alive. Okay, those who choose options 1 and 2 will get their money appear in the back office. The back office after the launch of the new back office on the after the launch uh, of the new back office on 25th of this month, that is of October. Bank withdrawal and credit card will be restored back. Okay, those whose withdrawals have delayed due to system migration, the company is aware and will compensate you with 2% for the delay. After the launch after the launch okay after the launch of the new back office, there will be no limit for withdrawals. All bonuses will be 100% payout. The daily earnings will be running for 200 days, not 175 days. Now no more savings. So this is the latest information, the latest updates on I200 and I100 of Solmax packages. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, this is Last Journey Stock. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's very, very important. Subscribe and click on the notification bell. Turn it to all notifications for you to be continually aware of the next updates. All right, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all, and bye bye for now.